let's get the headlights put together and get the front end of the car actually all bolted up. Our bumper here's got a little bit of a crack in it, so I've got some stuff I'm going to put behind it, drill a couple holes and rivet it into place. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so we threw a couple rivets in the lip here real quick. There's a couple aluminum strips like this one. Drilled some holes in them. Now the lip, it's not quite so floppy. I think it'll look pretty good on there. Let's get it attached. Pro tip as you're working on cars, keep all your old screws. That way, when you get something like your headlights here and you don't have any hardware for it, you can go through and find what you need. Alright, here we go. Got the front lip on. Let's toss this bumper on the car and see how everything looks all together. Here we go. Front bumper is on, lip is on, headlights are in, motor is in. It's starting to look pretty darn good.